Hello friends, I am Chartered Accountant Pratik Neve this side. I have been coaching in subject of tax and that too for CS professional from about past 11 years. Needless to say that there are thousands of students who have studied tax from us and cleared this prestigious course of company secretary. And yes, we want you to be the next one. So if you are giving December 22 exams or June 23 exams, this video is 100% for you. So friends, I would like to tell you about our upcoming batches. We have now started batches in two modes. One is 100% English batch and second is Hindi English mix. So why such distinguishing? Yes, from this 11 years we have understood that from South India, that is from Chennai, Bangalore, Kochi, then Hyderabad. Sorry if I'm missing out on few names, but from all these cities, there is a demand from students that sir, please conduct coaching in 100% English. So yes, for those students, good news is that we have a 100% English batch. And secondly, we have a batch of Hindi English mix. Why Hindi English batch? Yes, from North India, that is from MP, from Uttarakhand, from Delhi, we have got request of so many students that sir, please have Hindi in your batch. So we are conducting batch in Hindi English mix. Obviously, ultimately we all know that paper has to be given in English, but what happens in Hindi English batch is that few things are explained in Hindi. That's it. That is the difference between two batches. So friends, you can select the language of your preference and accordingly go ahead with the batch and take 100% benefit of understanding all things in language of your convenience. Then friends, these days the way of conducting coaching has changed to a lot of extent after pandemic. Yes, so we have now, apart from face to face classes, we are also now giving classes online via Zoom, and secondly even our own app. Further, these same lectures you get in recorded version as well, so you can take advantage of both. Yes, to know more you can obviously contact on our number which is given below this in the scroll bar. Yes, you can contact it at any given point of time. We will be more than happy to help you. Friends, same contact number continues if you get any doubts. So while watching lectures, you are getting any doubts, please WhatsApp on the same contact number. Okay, we will be more than happy to solve your doubts. Then friends, we always believe that only telling you the concepts and telling you the provisions is not sufficient. We have to go much beyond that. So what we do? Yes, apart from the class discussions, where you get 100% clarity of concepts and provisions, we make you write the things in the class itself. Means the important notes and points and provisions you have to write in the class itself, so they get cemented in your mind, they get fixed in your mind. And the question that we have understood the things but we are not able to present in the exam, that question doesn't arise. Okay, so please remember that we are not here only discussing the concepts and provisions but also making you write them. Okay, so that you can present them systematically in the exam. Then friends, as you all know, I have authored a book with Taxman which is called as Cracker. In that Cracker, we have given you 200 plus practical problems. Yes, along with solutions. And good news is that they are from CS professional exams, CA final exams, CA intermediate exams, CMA final exams, CMA intermediate exams, as well as practice manual of CS professional. So friends, what happens because of this is we practice those 200 plus sums, okay, under my guidance. So when they are practiced under the guidance, you become expert in that, and if you have any doubt in that, you can always revert and ask me those doubts. Then friends, we have, icing on the cake, that is basically topic wise tests. So we conduct 14 topic wise tests. Okay, so after every week you will have a test, so that will you can say give you confidence of writing and further test your knowledge. So after that, say your exam is in December month, so in the month of November we will conduct a 8 days revision batch of 3 hours each. So in the 24 hours you will get a again, I mean, you will get an opportunity of revisiting the whole subject. Means your revision will be done in a systematic way. So friends, after that we conduct two tests of 100 marks each. So please tell me, after so much of efforts, your 60% marks would be guaranteed, isn't it? And yes, we all uh, you know we all want that 60 plus marks in tax, and I'm quite sure that you are going to get that. Yes, so we call this as coaching plus program. So yes, if you want to know more about our batches, here are our contact details. You can take a screenshot of this and you can call us or WhatsApp on these numbers, or you can mail on this particular mail ID. You may also visit our website, which is zestlearning.in. So friends, I really hope to see you in the classes. I am confident that we all will systematically understand the subject of tax and obviously become a company secretary soon, and obviously with scoring 60 plus marks in tax. So thank you very much. Have a good time. Thank you.